Collocation Fairies! Yeah, you called? I did. I keep seeing the word go with other words, and I don't...
You don't understand because they're verb collocations.
Exactly! Remember, collocations are words that naturally go together in a language.
All right, let's learn some common uses of go. Let's go!
We can use go with an adjective to describe a change, like go bald. Before, he wasn't bald, but then he goes bald.
Or he's going bald. It's a long process, hopefully. Or he went bald, which there's no coming back from.
Go back, like return from? We'll get into go with prepositions later. Next, go bankrupt. When you lose or spend all your money.
You got it. And we have go deaf and go blind.
My grandpa went deaf and blind. And he went a little crazy. Yes, go crazy is another one. People can also go dark or go quiet, which means they stop communicating with you. Yeah, people I date often go dark. Oh, honey. Anyway, I could go on and on. Meaning continue. Yes, I could go on and on with adjective examples, but one last one is go bad. Bad, like Breaking Bad, like Michael Jackson bad?
No, like old food bad. When food gets old and smelly, we say it went bad.
Ew. All right, now it's time for you to go out and practice. All right, I'll give it a go.
Give it a go. To try. Nice.
Oh, so you want us to go out of business, huh? Oh, you don't? Well, then why don't you support us on Patreon?
If you become a member, you'll have access to a worksheet to practice the language from this video and much, much more.
Go check it out.
Hello. So what's the matter?
Well, my allergies are going a bit crazy.
I see. Did you go off your medication?
Go off my medication. Oh, like stop taking it. Well, my meds went missing a week ago.
All right, I'll write you a new prescription.
Is there a generic version I could take? This brand is so expensive it'll make me go bankrupt.
This is the best allergy medication. If you go abroad, you'll see it's much cheaper in other countries.
Go abroad.
Go abroad.
To leave the country. I have to go abroad to get a decent price on my medication.
You can also say go overseas, meaning to go abroad while crossing an ocean.
And when you're done traveling, you go home.
Lots of people say go to my home, but it's actually just go home.
And let's talk prepositions. Go straight, go left, go right, go up, go down, go around. Ah, for giving directions.
That's right. And we have go back and forth, meaning to go one way and then the other way, over and over, either physically or mentally if you're trying to make a decision.
I'm going back and forth about whether I should go blonde. Just kidding. Blue for life, sis.
Okay, go ahead. This is to invite someone to go in front of you or to start something.
Go ahead. Take your best shot. Do you want me to hit you? Go ahead. I can take it. Go ahead.
Ignore her. Then we have go far, meaning to make a lot of progress or succeed.
If you study English every day, you will go far.
And to go out, meaning to leave your house.
Or to date someone. Brad and I are going out, did you know?
Anyway, Then we have to go all out, meaning to be extreme in something, which is how my fairy sister lives her life.
Yeah, like for Brad's birthday, I hired 400 flamingos and I trained them all to do a synchronized swimming routine. She often goes all out.
Yep. Anyway, off you go. That means get going. Come on, go practice. Excuse me. Could you help me?
I can try.
I think I'm lost. I'm looking for this museum and I keep going back and forth on the same street, but I can't find it.
The Museum of Hidden Entrances. That's a tricky one to find.
Navigating in English is so hard. It's the first time I've gone abroad.
Oh, going overseas is very brave of you. Okay, so you're going to go straight for 3 blocks. Go right and then go up the stairs, go around the church, and you'll see it there.
Oh, thank you. Maybe I could get your number and we could go out for coffee later.
Sure. Here you go. Here you go. Didn't even teach you that one.
Here you go is a phrase to use when handing something to someone.
Hey, do you have my 2 euros?
Oh yeah, here you go.
Thank you. Hey, can we finish this up? I need to go to my work. Go to work. When we go to certain places we're familiar with, it's just go to. Go to school, go to work, go to bed, go to jail. Huh?
She's not familiar with jail, but yeah, we say go to jail.
Then for most public places, we say go to the. Go to the store, go to the park, go to the bank, go to the gym, go to the bathroom.
Go to the gas station, go to the doctor, go to the mall.
Go to the cemetery. Yeah, sure, why not?
Then for events, we say go to a. Go to a party, go to a football game, go to a wedding.
Go to a funeral. Is she going bananas? What's with her?
And finally, we have go by to talk about transportation.
Go by bike, go by foot, go by car.
Go by metro, go by taxi, go by plane.
Hey, are we boring you? No, I just really need to go to work.
You know what? This video is getting long. We'll leave you a worksheet to practice these collocations with go.
And you get to have the worksheet too. Yeah, you! Why, you think we didn't see you there? We're magical fairies, come on.
So go check it out on our Patreon. Link in the description.
I'm so tired. I wish I could go to sleep, but gotta make money. I can't wait to go on vacation.